Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is ayomidegraphix. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to create a text masking effect using Pixellab. Let's begin. Go to your Pixellab app, click on the three dots at the top, click on image size, then you type in the image size. Now click on the shape tool, then click on import to bring in the image. Now when you are bringing the image already, set it very well. This is the image we are using. Now after this, we're bringing in another image in which we have removed the background, so it remains the main character. So if you want to learn how to remove the background of any image, you can check the top of your screen there. You see the video I've done on how to remove the background of any image. So now we are bringing in another image, that is the one that has removed the background. So we click on the import icon there to bring in the image. Now we are bringing the image already, so you make sure it aligns with the other one. That's it. You make sure it aligns with the other image to make it look the same. Okay, now as you can see, we are done. It's the same. So now we have to lock it. Click on the layer icon, then lock it. Wow, that's good. Now the next stage is to type in our word. I click on the A alphabet to type in the word. The new word is called elegance. Type in the new word elegance. So that's the text we are using for the masking effect, elegance. Now you increase the size. Click on size, increase it. Then after that, to give it font style, go to fonts. As you can see, click on that. Then the first time we are using is what? Lemon Make Bold. That's good. Then we have to arrange it very well using what we call relative position to position it very well. Now you take the elegance, that's the word we type now. Click on layers tool. When you click on, then take it to drag it down to the back. That's it, to the back of the one we just imported. That is to the back of the new image. Then give it color. You can give it gradient, any color you like, but I'm choosing this color. Wow, that's good. We're almost there. Then click on layer 2, then you lock it, then copy and paste that as well. Copy and paste. So now this one will be in front. So make sure it aligns well with the one at the back. Arrange it very well. So then give it stroke first. When you give it stroke, that is it. The black stroke will be good for that. So you mark it when you're done. Now we are going to create the masking effect, the text masking effect. Click on color, then click on plus icon, then click on color fill. When you click on color fill, now you drag the first one like that there, as you can see, then the last one to the left. Then do the same thing to the other side too. That one to the left too, and leave the other one to the right, as you can see. Wow, that's it. Then arrange it very well. Make sure it aligns with the one at the back. Wow, the way I'm seeing this, like the width is too thick. Let us reduce the width of the stroke. Then you set it very well. Make sure it aligns very well. Now we are done. Click on layer 2. Click on that. Then lock it as well. You have to lock it so everything is locked. Now let us add some more effect to it to make it look good. Go to reflection. Click on reflection. Enable. Wow, that's good. Mark it. When you have marked it, then you go to 3D shadow again. Click on 3D shadow. Enable. Then you can also adjust some settings there. So that's how to creatively create a text masking effect. So for us to save it, click on the icon at the top, click on save as image, then click on the option there, choose ultra, then save to gallery. Wow, that's how to create a text masking effect using Pixellab. So if you are watching this video, you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly click on the subscribe button on your screen right now for you to get all notifications whenever I drop a video like this. Don't forget to drop your comments concerning this video in the comment section. Also kindly click on the like button on your screen right now and also share this video across your socials. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. See you in the next video. Bye.